the long vowel E sound, okay? E sound. So we have a single letter. The name of this letter is E, and the sound it can make is E as well, okay? The same sound as the name. Usually it makes the E sound, as we know, it usually makes the E sound, but sometimes it can make the E sound, so it's an alternative sound this letter can make, okay? So mostly E, but it can make the E sound, okay? E, single letter E sound we'll do today. Okay, so words with this single letter E sound is, the first one is she, okay? She, sh, e, okay? Sh, e, she. 3 letters, 2 sounds. She is happy. Other words which are like this, which have the E sound here, are like me, we, be, he. Okay, these are other words which end in this E spelling pattern here. Okay, usually these are called tricky words because it doesn't make the E sound, but if we know this letter can sometimes make the E, it doesn't always have to be said it's a non-phonetically regular word because it can make another sound as we're doing today. Okay, so she. Next one is ego. Ego. E-G-O. Okay, ego. Ego. Maybe someone's very confident and you could say that person has a big ego. Okay, it means they think highly of themselves. Ego. Ego. And as same here, this is making an alternative sound. It's not making the O sound, it's making the O sound. Okay, like here it's not making the E sound, it's making the E sound. Ego. Ego. They have a big ego. 3 letters, 3 sounds there. Okay, and finally, this is quite an unusual word. Okay, there's lots of alternative spellings or alternative sounds for each of these sounds. We'll dive in, I'll show you. It is a country, Egypt. Egypt. As we know, countries always start with capital letters, they're proper nouns. So it's a capital E. Here, it should be G, but it is J, because sometimes the G or G letter shape can make the J sound. Okay, so it's E, J, so it's J here. And here, the Y, as we know, can make the Y sound, it can make the E sound, but it can also make the I sound. Okay, so it's I here. Okay, E, J, I, T, Egypt. So the first 3 letters are making different sounds to what they usually make, which is quite unusual. Okay, E, J, I, P, T, Egypt. Egypt is a country in Africa which joins Asia. Egypt, and it has beautiful pyramids, as we know. Okay, so let's go through our sounds and words again together. Say them with me to practice your pronunciation. That would be great. E, E, she, sh-e, she. Ego, ego, ego. And Egypt, E-J-I-P-T, Egypt. Very unusual word, that one. Okay, anyway, thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.